There's so many ways we can be creative, and you just have to find the one that really resonates with you. It can be anything, like there's no rules, no one has to see it, but the more that you do it, I promise the easier it'll become. Today we're going to be creating the recipe of you. There's going to be a little bit of colouring in, a little bit of drawing, and also a little bit of brainstorming. If I'm feeling particularly overwhelmed, anxious, or nervous, and I'm not able to stop and be in the moment, I find it very hard to be creative. And it wasn't until I really became aware of what mindfulness was, I realized how much I wasn't doing it. So for me, mindfulness means forgetting about what's to come, forgetting about what's happened, and just being present. So there we go. We've got my finished recipe of Kate, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.